Welcome to the Big Bang Geology channel. This is the second class of summary of K.M. Bangaru book. So today our topic is age of the earth. So according to the radioactive dating method, our age of the earth is 4,600 million years. So before the discovery of radioactive dating method, there is several methods for determining the age of the earth. So these are four. One is from history of organic evolution. I think you have visual. Second is rate of sedimentation, and the third one is from salinity of seawater, and the fourth one is from rate of cooling. Okay, these are the four methods before the discovery of radioactive dating method. So let's go from history of organic evolution. So first, earth cooled and solidified, as well as life appeared on it, and first organism has simple structure. Complexity increased with the passage of time. Then man quietly evolved recently with the complex structure. So biologists determine the age of the earth from history of organic evolution only 10,000 1,000 million years. Okay, remember that digit, 1,000 million years only age of the earth from biologist. From history of organic evolution, age of the earth is 1,000 million years. Okay, second one is rate of sedimentation. First one is completed and second one is rate of sedimentation. The formation of the sediment rocks with the solidification of the earth. So hence efforts made to the determination of the age of earth with the total rate of sedimentation in the ocean. So total sedimentation in the ocean. So next, a followed method to determine the age of earth, to determine the total sedimentary rocks in the in earth history, total earth history, by its rate of sedimentation divided by rate of sedimentation. Okay, rate of total sediment rocks in the total earth history by divided by rate of sedimentation. Then the rate of sedimentation gives, this method give age of earth history is 500 million years. Rate of sedimentation method said is age of earth is 500 million. Actually, originally oceans have fresh water. So if the amount of salt carried each year to oceans by the rivers is known, so it can be calculated by the how much time took to the accumulate the total saltation in the ocean. So this method, the from salinity of seawater method, gave the age of the earth is 120 million years. 120 million years. Age of the earth is 120 million years by the method of salinity of seawater. So next, the fourth one is rate of cooling. So rate of cooling. In 1897, Lord Kelvin calculated the age of the earth from temperature difference between the initial heat planet and its present state. Difference between the initial planet and its present state. So he assumed that, Lord Kelvin assumed that Earth was constant loss heat throughout constant. What he was he assumed loss heat throughout constant. So Lord Kelvin, this method, rate of cooling method give age of Earth 20 to 40 million years. He assumed by this calculation 20 to 40 million years age of the Earth by the method of rate of cooling. So this estimation, this calculation is more than 100 times lower than the present estimations. So finally this is the age of the Earth by these four methods, and I think it is useful to you. Then you can share with your friends and subscribe and support for more videos. Thank you.